Okay, so my mom has left me all alone this whole week because she's trying to put this estate sale together. But it's a whole bunch more work because she has to put all the information and sizes and things on everything. And by the time she gets home, I'm jumping up and down and I have to go pee like crazy. So I'm very happy when she comes home, but I wish she didn't have to go away. Why does she have to go away? Oh my God. I asked her why I couldn't go with her. I'm really bored staying at home. All I have to do is just chew on furniture or pee on the rug, and she gets all mad at me. Then I want to play squeaky toys with her at 12 o'clock at night because she hasn't taken me out for a walk because she was busy fixing things. It's a dog's life. Okay, so we've been watching a lot of TV lately. And I'm sitting next to the couch with my mother. And she's very comfortable, so sometimes I sit on top of her. And there's this thing called a testing kit. Kind of like what they have for us with all the vaccines and things that they give us, making sure we don't get distemper and all that other stuff. But I digress. And what this testing kit does is it tells the humans if they've had the virus, or if they have the virus, or all sorts of possibilities. But the good thing about this is, from what I'm understanding from Mom, because she's all excited about this, is that it'll tell the people if they've had it that they're not going to worry about being exposed to it, which makes them happy, which makes me happy, because when Mom's happy, I'm happy. And it also makes it so that the people who've had the virus can go and do things and help people without worrying about catching it.
I'm not going to catch it. I'm in the Swiss Alps, self-distancing.
Stupid cow.